Automation prepares every shipment for safe transportation. Protective wrapping keeps every carton stable during transit. Every pallet receives a complete shipping identity. Reliable transport keeps production moving without interruption. Every shipment is checked before entering the production chain. Organized storage ensures a continuous supply for production. Only carefully selected timber advances to manufacturing. Automation begins long before the first matchstick is shaped. The transformation starts with preparing clean, workable timber. From raw timber, the path toward millions of matchsticks truly begins. Every surface is cleaned before precision processing begins. Advanced scanners measure every log with remarkable accuracy. Uniform dimensions ensure efficient downstream production. Sorting keeps every production line perfectly supplied. Controlled storage maintains an uninterrupted manufacturing rhythm. Careful conditioning prepares the wood for precision shaping. Perfect alignment is essential before the transformation begins. One spinning log becomes an endless ribbon of future matchsticks. Every sheet is refined for consistent quality. The journey continues as moisture gives way to precision. Controlled drying prepares the wood for flawless machining. Uniform thickness ensures every matchstick begins the same. Long wooden strips form the backbone of millions of matchsticks. Precision cutting transforms wood into countless tiny blanks. Perfect alignment keeps production flowing without interruption. Even the smallest surface receives careful attention.
Automation catches imperfections faster than the human eye.
Every stick is positioned with microscopic precision. The production line advances toward its most critical stage. Now the wooden sticks are ready to receive their signature ignition heads. Precision chemistry gives every match its dependable spark. Thousands of match heads are formed in one synchronizer motion. Every drop is carefully controlled to maintain consistency. Controlled drying strengthens every ignition head.
A protective finish prepares each match for reliable performance.
Heat completes the transformation from wood to finished match. Intelligent inspection protects quality at industrial speed.
Automation keeps production efficient from start to finish.
Every box begins with an exact count.
The finished matchsticks now prepare for their final presentation.
Two simple parts become one finished product. Every box receives its own production identity. Automation checks every detail before shipment. Accurate grouping prepares products for retail packaging. Protective wrapping keeps every bundle secure.
Industrial automation packs thousands of boxes every hour. Industrial automation packs thousands of boxes every hour.
Every production batch is verified before shipment. Every production batch is verified before shipment. Precision measurements confirm manufacturing accuracy. Reliable ignition is the heart of every quality match. Controlled testing guarantees dependable performance.
Even tiny wooden sticks must meet strict standards.
Packaging quality protects every match until it reaches the customer. Complete traceability follows every production batch. Only fully approved products continue to distribution. Every shipment is verified one last time. The production journey now reaches its final destination. Automation prepares every shipment for safe transportation. Protective wrapping keeps every carton stable during transit. Every pallet receives a complete shipping identity.
Organized storage ensures every order is ready on schedule. The final journey begins at the loading dock. Careful loading protects every shipment on the road.
Every shipment leaves only after complete verification.
And this is how modern factories produce matchsticks from start to finish.
Innovation, precision, and teamwork power every match produced. Thank you for watching this complete journey inside a modern match factory.